to my channel. So I am back with another Halloween makeup look, and I'm going to be doing a Gothic makeup look.
Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, na-na-na, I'm singing ba-ba-ba. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time.
So this is actually way out my comfort zone, but it is Halloween, and I would actually use this makeup look for Halloween. It's quite gothic, it's really purple. I've got black eyeshadow, red eyeshadow. I don't normally mix these two colours together, but I'm so excited, I'm so happy that I created this look as well. And thank you so much for all the support. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get straight into the video. Yo! Okay, so I'm going to start off by using this foundation, the 25-hour foundation from London. It's one of my favourite foundations. At the moment, I am mixing it with another foundation, but for Halloween looks, I just like to use just this foundation. But if it's for everyday kind of use, I will be using 2 lots of foundation to mix and match. So, because I haven't got much in it, I'm going to be using this, and I'm just going to be putting it on here. Then I'm just going to be applying it on my face. I've got a mirror here, so that's why I'm looking that way. Okay, and then I'm just going to be using, I'm going to use this time, I'm going to put on my hair. Okay, so then I've done the foundation, and then I'm going to use my silicone blender to blend it in. My hair is always in the way, guys. I finished with the buffer with my foundation, so now I'm going to be using some concealer, and this is the Last Perfection collection in Lemon. I'm going to be using it for underneath my eyes, on my nose, and bridge of my nose, and on my eyes to keep my foundation on, because I think it works with concealer when I put it on there. So I'm going to put it underneath my nose, so I'm looking into the mirror. Okay, exactly the same. Then I'm going to bridge my nose, and then I'm going to do it on the top of my. Okay, then use that one. And then I'm going to be using a bit here on my cheeks, because I do get really bad spots here. And then I'm going to be using my blender to blend it on my eyes first. Okay, I like to do the same with that one. Then my nose. And then I'm going to use my buffer brush to blend it in. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to my next bit, my favourite bit, as I said. I'm going to be doing a contour. I love doing contour. I'm going to be using that shade today, so a big, it's more, I've got more in it. So I'm just going to be using this brush, which is from Isabella Scott Sydney, which I got for Christmas. And then I'm going to do the same with the other cheek. And then I'm going to be using some on my chin. And then some there. And then on my nose. Then on my forehead. And then all round here. Okay, so next I'm going to be moving on to is highlighter. I love highlight. So I am going to be using a yellow one today. So that one there. So I'm just going to be using this on my cheekbones, above my eyebrows. I'm going to turn my light on because I think it's more better. Is that better? Yeah. Turn my light on, and so I'm just going to be using that. above my eyebrows. And I absolutely love this highlight. It's my fave. So next, I'm going to be moving on to is eyeshadow. So to make this look Halloween, it is, yeah, so I've got to do that. So, I'm going to be using this palette here, so the Makeup Pro one. I absolutely love this one. And I'm going to be using a very light shade, so I'm going to be using that one there. Find my brushes. And I'm just going to be using that, applying it. So I'm going to be using a mirror. I think I'm going to use this eyeshadow mirror because I actually love this mirror. It's really good. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to go nearer so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to be doing that, using the lighter shade. Okay, and then I'm going to be using, from my Soph Does Now palette, and I'm going to be using a red. So the red I'm going to be using is this one here, and I'm going to be going all over it, so it makes it more Halloween. So I'm going to be using this, I'm going to be going nearer. So I'm just going to be going over like that, and it's going to make it more redder the better, because I really want it to stand out. Okay, so that's red. And then I'm going to be going on with some black now, but I'm going to use a glittery one. So that one there. And then I'm going to be doing all the bottom bit with black. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So that is that. And then I'm going to be going in with a purple underneath my eyes. So underneath here. And then I'm going to be going on the corners to make my eyeshadow more glittery, is this pink one here. And that is my eyeshadow look, guys. And then I'm going to be moving on to the next one. I'm going to be using these 3 products. So I'm going to be doing my eyes first. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Wake Me Up mascara. This is going to thicken my eyelashes and make them more bigger than they actually are. So that is my eyelashes done. So now I'm going to be going on with the Pretty Moisturising Lip Balm in Coconut, because my lips are really chapped at the moment and I want them to be more better. So I'm just going to be doing that. They're better now. And then I'm going to be using this little palette again, the NYX Lip Cream one. I'm going to be using a purple shade to make this Gothic look better. So I'm going to be using the purple and I'm going to be applying it all on my lips. And that is my Halloween look, guys. So that is the end of my video, and it's the end of my Halloween makeup look for this year. I'm excited for next year for more Halloween ones. I hope you enjoyed my small little series of Halloween, and I all hope you have a lovely Halloween next Wednesday, whatever you are doing, because I'm doing nothing for Halloween, because I'm not really keen on Halloween, but I like doing makeup looks for Halloween, if you get what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.